So welcome to guys CP Tech World. I am Prashant Chobe, your YouTuber. So today I am showing you the unboxing of VCool headphone. Is a true wireless earbuds. It's come with the charger case, and it's the best facility is this magnetic function is given in this device. Okay, so due to that magnetic functions, when you once charge your this device, so you can be share with you anywhere, and 3 hours of backup is have the device when you once charge and put your earphone inside the box, so it will be started charging automatically. This is the very cool and nice, and all the specification is given here, and what are the accessories we are got from in this device box. So I will show you, and this is the one, this is the bill. Okay. So 8999 is the cost of price. This original price is I think 1000 and above, this one. So I got from in 900 rupees. So I am clearing this, and wireless device is very important as is very good as compared to the other, because in this whatever the specification have, it is very awesome as compared to other. I am not taking the name, but this is VCool is very nice product and very nice look also. Very aromatic designing is there, design and shape is very cool. In these two colors have the black and yellow, and combination with the yellow and black color. And the detail of this device I already mentioned in the description. If you want to purchase, so you can purchase from that link. I already mentioned in the description one. This is all are the specifications. The first is connectivity advanced wireless Bluetooth 5.0 is there. That means it is the Wi-Fi connectivity advanced technology, and battery capacity of each this earbud is 50 mega ampere, and transmission range is 10 meter. Up to the 10 meter it will walk if you are away from your device. Suppose you are connected to your mobile phone, so if you can be without your mobile phone, you can walk up to the 10 meters, and it is more enough as compared to the other one. And frequency response, the 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. That means your voice clarity is more here. And music playtime, if you listening a music up to the continue the 4 hours, so it may works. And talk time about 3 hours if you receiving a call or making a call. And standby time is 100 hours if you are not doing anything, so standby time is 100 hours. And charging time about 1.5 hours. That means 1 hour and 30 minutes. And charging input DC is 5 volt 1 ampere micro USB port. Okay, so micro USB port is given here, and features are showing here. Stereo audio bus. Okay, A2DB technology, hands-free call functions, lightweight, secure, fit earbud, stereo, and mono-use magnetic charging case. Okay, and the company name is VCool. So now it's time to unbox the device. So I got all the things here. First is I got some thank you cards from the company. Fully charge your earphones before using it for the first time. Yes, so I am using for the first time, so I could be charged up to the 2 or 3 hours. This is a warranty card, and I am telling you one thing. The company providing you the 1 year of warranty of. Okay, the 1 year warranty of this product. These are some specification is given or more, and the steps are given how to connect, so it is very easy. Due to the magnetic function, it is the advanced technology in this, so your earphone can be charged when you charge once, so you can be carry with you, so no need to charge every time. Once you have to charge your earphone, this is the charger. Okay, this is the, I think it is this port is Type A port. Okay, it is not the Type C. Type A port is given here. and few devices are given these cables and few company are not giving this. And this is some extra, the cups are given here, the 4 cups, that means the 2 pair is given. And this is the V-Cool box of your wireless earphone. So simply see this here, the port is showing here, so that simply you have to attach here normally as soon as you are connecting your mobile phone. And this is plugged to your mobile charger. Okay, and let's see what's inside. So open up from here, and here back side is given your earbud, wireless earbud. See, it is a very small and thick one, so very nice. This is 2. So now let's see, here is any given the left and right, no, so you can put left or right depend on you. So here is not mention any left and right mark. So okay, now I'm telling you one thing, how it works. So here is in both earbud having the button upside. This is, if one time you pressing, so that means if you are listening music, so one time you pressing, that means you pause the song, or again you pressing, so it's playing the song. And next one is, if you receiving the call, so once you have to click it, call will receive. And if you want to reject the call, so press long and release it. So your call has been rejected. Okay, and if you want to pair this device, so press both the button to the long one. Now see this, the light is blinking here, that means pairing mode is started. And on your Bluetooth connection from your mobile device, and its name was showing over there, V-Cool, and connect it and enjoy your earphone, wireless earphone. See this very nicely devices here, no wire is here. Some wireless device have some wires also over there. This is the new one, and it is the cheap cost. I'm telling you, it is a very cheap cost as compared to the other, and its review also very good in the Amazon. So thank you for watching this. This is my main motto here to tell you about this, how to use it. So here is having some pin is over there. So see this is the 2 points were showing here, and the 2 points of the main pin is in the box is here. So simply when you charge, so here is the magnetic is given there, that means it's connecting automatically, no need to press, gently you have to put it your earbud inside. See this, the box is already charged, and 25 frequency is charging here. And now when you closing this, and your charging will start. See this lightning. Okay, so 25% is battery. You can think that a 25 power ampere is giving to your charger, and when you fully charge, at that time 100 value will be raised up with the white light. So thank you for watching this. If you want to purchase this, so you can see the description there. I already mentioned the link over there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this.